What's up, y'all? We are hitting the range today on a Saturday morning down in South Georgia. We're going to shoot up to ranges at Oakfield in Thomasville. What kind of coffee you want?
I think I'm going to do a pumpkin spice one.
Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts?
I don't do Starbucks. It's too damn expensive.
Nasty. That stuff nasty. Good? Must be.
You don't even like coffee.
Ah, it's fucking disgusting.
It's amazing.
What is in it?
Pumpkin spice.
Pumpkin spice.
You're not taking a picture of my dirty ass sneakers, are you?
I think they're dope.
You need to be right down.
Oh, jeez.
You want to go over there?
Far right.
Yeah.
That's why I like it. That's why I like it. Far right side. You're getting it right. Getting it right. Doo doo. Doo doo. Doo doo. All right. Hydrate.
I love it.
It's up to you. Do you know what you want to shoot?
I don't know what. I guess I'm a strut.
We, the XDM Precision Elite Rose Gold, oh joker, nice than a motherfudger, and got that mean green, that glizzy Glock 34. What you know on the show? It's my anniversary gift. A couple years ago, I try to keep it pristine. Scratchy. That Canik tp9, what is it? SFX.
That's my new baby there.
That's that sweet thing.
My husband
For
just
that
got me
sweet
that
thing. And my old trusty, my favorite. Hey, Taurus be taking a lot of flack or whatever, but my favorite gun out of a lot of guns that I got is the 1911 and 9mm. Diop. You mean Diop. You like to go Diop. What you got first, man?
I guess I'm going to start with my new one.
I like that.
Put that shea butter on my hand.
You got yourself all nice. You got yourself all nice. Do you like or jail?
Let's see. Which target do I want to go with?
Let's see. Let's figure it out.
Let's try this yellow. Ooh.
What's that?
Yeah. I like the way it feels in my hand. I really can't complain. I really can't. I think that's one of the. I think that one feels better than my everyday carry.
I knew it.
I do. I really do think that's better than my everyday carry.
Put my special glasses on. Help me see better. This is for all you cross-eyed dominant fellas out there and ladies out there. All right, I'm gonna give it a go.
Give me 1 second.
3 shots.
Because we did mess up not wearing eyewear.
That's all right.
No, that shit was coming back at my face.
Uh-oh.
Well, at my hand. And I don't like the tape on my eye. I know that
You
I
gotta
should
get used
use
to it. Yeah.
But it makes me feel cross-eyed. Like, I don't know.
You ready?
Yeah. Let's see what you got. Are you going to use mine?
Yeah, I gotta feel this. I gotta feel it.
Oh. Well, it feels really good. I'm a little bit to the right.
I think
You're too far to the left.
I like. Well, I'm out.
Oh, well, yeah. But it's nice, right?
It's cool.
I like it.
I likes 3 shots.
It was too far up. Come to the right. There you go. Come a little bit more to the right. Come down. There you go. Don't target, stop.
I like it.
I like it a lot.
It's nice.
That is.
It's nice. It's nice.
Like I said, I think it's better than my everyday carry.
It's smoking. You see it smoking?
Oh, yeah, I see it smoking.
I don't know if I'm supposed to do that.
It's not?
Smoke coming out of it by the trigger guard, by the action of the trigger. It's nice though. I hold it up, so that might be just burning off a little bit. All right, baby, you still got 3 in there for round 2. Bang, 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 dang, 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 ding.
I think I'm going to have to take off my earrings.
I got 419. Well, we have 41911s.
No.
Oh my gosh.
No. He doesn't understand. His collection and my collection are 2 different collections.
Sounds like a show. This is my bread, butter, toasted, avocado sauce.
You don't even like avocado.
I don't like you.
Woo!
Let me reach further out because there's a hostage back there. Goody goody?
I'm good.
This tree action.
I'm down again. You're too far left.
Too far left.
Yeah.
I got a big body out there.
Give me it. There you go.
All right. That's why I like coming here. You get some gratification.
Yeah, you're right.
That dang
I
paper be like, I don't know. Oh, metal be like, you got me, motherfucker.
I think we do better here than the other range. I do agree with that. And I think it's because you can actually see the targets here more than you see on the paper targets also. So
It's nice and quiet today. You know, just us and the range officer pretty much.
my dreads, it's not working in my classes.
Good job.
I gotta just wear my hair down. That's what the thing is.
That's what the issue is. Matter of fact, just came out of here. This one back in here.
You gotta kick these shells if you want to fucking
All right.
pick them up.
You have 1 chambered and 3 in the magazine.
How you know I want
they
to
come
do
through
that
with-
one?
they come
How
through
you
with the
know I
thing.
don't want to do one of yours?
I'll do it. Shoot.
No, I was
Stop
just
playing,
saying.
shoes.
How do you
Flying
know?
on. Huh?
How do you know I don't want to try my new rose gold one?
You don't have a rose gold one, baby. My
So
collection, my
listen.
collection, your collection, your collection. Am I right?
Right.
Am I wrong?
But is this one not up for when we do our car race?
Sweetie.
So we have RC cars. We have an infraction and felony. And we're racing. We're going to be racing, most likely our next video.
Racing for the gun.
Winner gets all.
She ain't gonna get it, y'all. She ain't gonna get it.
So
Let us know in the comments.
We'll see how.
Let us know in the comments before we air the race, man. Because if you was on her team, I'm gonna air you out. How about that? How about that? Catch me outside. How about that? You're gonna lose. You can't. I forget it. I don't even talk. Go ahead, shoot. Go ahead, shoot. Go ahead, shoot.
You're too close to me.
You're too close to me, man.
All this air.
Work it out. Do what you gotta do.
All this air.
Make shit happen. There's a big body out there. Big body, yeah.
I was gonna see if one was could hit one of those tiny blue ones.
I think you could. You got a deal. You can shoot at the same time.
No, we can't.
Yeah? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Matter of fact, I'll take the Glock Glizzy on her.
That's way too hard. Charlie.
That good is.
That would have touched me.
Were you shooting for again? There's people live over there, you know that, right?
Yep.
Take it easy.
Yeah.
You too much crazy, my friend. Too much crazy. All right, where we at?
I was on a mission.
I'm on a mission. You better listen. All right, let's go with the Black Glizzy. What are we looking at? I like that yellow target.
Little circles next to the
I can't hit him with this. I can't hit him with this. Red dot sucks. That was cheap. I didn't want you to find out. Okay.
So go to the two blue ones, the medium-sized ones with the three yellow ones. Can you go
The
do
tree?
that?
Red dot. Chewy on you. Chewy. You're too much, man. You're too much. Sorry.
You're weird.
My mind's team. Did we shoot? We didn't shoot the XEM yet?
Did you show them what we're shooting at?
Yeah, I did. Good.
Are you willing to try it afterwards?
Definitely. Most
So
definitely.
you gotta hit the 4 white ones and then the red one, correct?
Yep. The start is the first far left, white.
And then go keep
1,
going.
2, 3, 4, and that's your stop at just about 15, a little, maybe 13 yards.
Yeah.
So 13 or so, out to 25. Dun, dun, dun.
What is this?
Just put your firearm on it. Rest it. Okay. What are we going with? Canik TP9?
Yeah.
All right, hold on. I'm ready when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Oh.
Oh, you gotta move the camera.
Sorry. For you, sucker. You know what was funny?
What?
When I had you change your grip, you were hitting.
I know.
Yeah, isn't that something? Explain that. Tell me that. Hmm?
All right. Bill's going to take a chance at trying to be all right, I'm going to say 2 minutes, Bill. I gave myself 2 minutes.
That's fine. Give me about 8 seconds.
8 seconds. All right. Ready?
I am ready.
Set. Go. Okay. There you go. There you go. Oh,
30?
it's less than
28?
30.
Okay. I know I could do it in about
It was
11.
26 because
I wasted time with that last one. Damn it.
that last one is pretty damn hard though.
All right.
I want to start competition shooting. I think it looks fun. I think it would improve my shooting personally. Get out of my. Um, I'm not nervous when I'm shoot. It's just that it takes me a little while to warm up. Like I enjoy it. I don't have a problem. You know, it's just about focusing and getting used to the different targets. So I think with me having a goal and I think and having fun with it, I think competition is something that I would really enjoy. And I don't really see many of our people doing competitions and stuff like that. I see a lot of safety videos, which is awesome. I'm not against it, but I would like us to participate more into the competitions and the actual sport itself. So that's that's what I'm looking to do is really get myself into the sport. I want to try the different not hunting because I don't like shooting at animals, but just like the clay, the what else? The
Uh,
clay shooting,
Skeet,
this,
trap.
yep. I want to try all of that and probably go into the bow and arrow. Our youngest son, he's 10. He wants to do the bow and arrow. I'm thinking about doing it with him. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. Where this takes us.
You had a good time, sweetie?
I did. I had a lot of fun.
Uh-huh.
I really like the range.
It's dope.
Definitely going to do more date nights,
Mm-hmm.
competitions.
And we just renewed our membership or whatever.
Right.
We were members a long time ago, but they got a new program, so we just dropped that dough on there, and we got all the family members covered in our family, so it's dope. So remember, fly high, my fly family,
Like, comment,
and
and subscribe.
share this with a friend, man. Be safe. Peace.